My plan today is basically just to head up the mountain and see what it looks like up there, look at the views and enjoy those. Wow, look at this view. It's insane.
Oh. Hello brother, welcome swim. Oh. Marhaba, welcome. Come on to Ouzoud waterfall.
Yeah. This is the other side of the Atlas Mountains. Now I've crossed them. What a ride this was. Now that I've crossed the Atlas Mountains, that went a lot faster than I thought it would because of the new road they're building. But wow, look at this. Forests. Incredible. So now I think I'll head for the waterfalls that I was thinking about. Ouzoud? Me and names. I have no clue about names. Because that's also supposed to be a really, really beautiful place. And I love beautiful places, so let's go have a look at a waterfall. Now I'm down from the mountains. Oh, this is a motorcycle meet. Now I'm at 1,075 meters, down from almost 2,300. Up there it was 28 degrees, here it is 37. There's a big difference. I'm getting a bit more accustomed to the heat now, like it's still uncomfortably hot. But I'm not like dying like I was in the beginning. That looks like a pretty big city that I'm gonna pass through now. Probably. Marketplace or something. Oh, that's the market streets. Selling nuts. La Liberté. Huh, this is a busy city. Maybe I should stop and find some food somewhere. I am a bit hungry. Huh. Oh, watch out, birdie. So now I'm almost at the waterfall that I was gonna check out. I'm curious. Based on how the street looks here, it looks like it's a very touristic area. I thought it was just like a beautiful natural waterfall. I didn't know it was a tourist area. But it looks like it is. Ah, okay, this was a bit disappointing. I thought it was like a waterfall that was in nature. Okay, let's find some shade now. And have a look at what I'm gonna do here. Okay, the road stops here.
Hello.
Hey.
Waterfalls.
Huh?
Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna go back here and then go barefoot. You have to go barefoot.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Back here and then you have 2 minutes to go from here to straight up to the waterfall.
Ah, okay.
Here you can say 120 meters down.
Okay. Can I park the bike in the shade somewhere?
Yeah, you can park park here. Here is park.
Behind here? Ah, okay. Let's have a guide and have a look, a walk around, see what this place is all about. So your name was Abdul?
Yeah, my name is Abdul.
Nice to
Welcome,
meet you.
brother.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. I go say up the fall.
Yeah?
Say 120 meters down.
Cool.
Yeah.
So what is this place? Like, what
This is Ouzoud, waterfall Ouzoud.
Yeah?
Ouzoud.
Why is this so famous?
I don't know. This is olive tree.
Olive tree.
Yeah, olive tree.
It's beautiful here.
Here you have another. Here you have another language. You speak Berber.
Oh, Berber. Ah.
Berber. Yeah. One olive tree on Berber. My name Ouzoud.
Ouzoud.
Yeah, one olive tree and olive tree. My name Ouzoud.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's big. This is big one from Morocco.
The biggest in Morocco?
Yeah, from Morocco.
Cool. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
This is where you are from?
Yeah, from here. Yeah.
Right.
I'm from another side, from Sips, another side Slips.
You are Berber?
Yeah, you speak Berber.
Ah, cool.
This is hotel for king.
Huh?
This is hotel for king.
That's a... Wow.
That is
Castle?
5 years. 5 years old.
The king is there?
Yeah, kings.
Oh, wow. Cool. Whoa. That is pretty amazing. Huh. Look at this. Apparently the biggest waterfall in Morocco. It's beautiful. Ah, this is a pretty spectacular place. Even if it's touristic. Whoa.
You have another one down
That's pretty
there.
high up.
There you have another waterfalls.
No, a smaller one, yeah.
Yeah, not big one.
500 monkeys live in that cave.
Yeah, from Skiffy. And there is a big one, big cave.
What kind of monkeys are they? Do you know? What are the species of monkeys?
Macaque.
Macaque, right?
Macaque, yeah.
This always happens. Everywhere.
I work a little bit in garden.
Oh yeah? In your garden?
This is my stuff.
That's nice. Did you make all of this?
No, I buy it, brother.
You bought it from where?
Yeah, I buy it from mountain Albaster stone. With Albaster stone to make the one.
Okay.
With Albaster stone to make camel. And
Yeah.
sometimes to make this
pretty.
one.
Huh, turtle.
And sometimes like this.
Oh yeah? An elephant. That's cool.
And that is good for luck to pocket with you.
A bird?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, if you like some souvenir of the mountain,
Yeah, no, thank you.
there will be what in Marrakesh.
I don't have any room for it.
No, small souvenir for you. No, for... Maybe small souvenir for family.
I don't have a... No, thank you. I don't have any room.
Oh, no, wrong.
I travel on my motorcycle and I don't have any stuff.
Okay, brother. Don't take it
No, thank you.
This my name Haroub.
It's named Harud.
Haroub.
Harud.
Here you see cacao chocolate.
Ah, this is the cacao tree.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Cool.
You have fruit black.
Three.
Yeah. Hey, fruit for food is
Oh
black.
yeah, the fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never tasted fresh cacao fruit.
Yeah, cacao fruit.
Does it taste good?
So my name Haroub. Will be my name Haroub.
Harub.
Haroub.
Oh, look at this. It's pretty spectacular.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. I'm not sure there are too many tourists actually. There are a few, but most of these people seem local.
Now people jump from here.
I jump from there.
Yeah.
Nice.
They jump from here.
How high is that?
Why?
How high is it?
30 kilometers.
30 meters? Yeah. Do you jump from there?
Me, if
Yeah.
I jump from here. Okay.
Do you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Nice to get a bit of a tour of the place. That's pretty.
It's nice.
Yeah. A bit of a labyrinth. Walk around.
Yeah, take picture here.
Yeah. Oh, this was nice and fresh.
Yeah, you can go down there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sometimes it's fun to be tourist too. Oh, this is really nice and refreshing. Underneath the waterfall. Amazing.
Oh, the waterfall.
This is nice.
Yeah. Hello, brother. Welcome, swim.
That's so nice. Whew. Refreshing.
Marhaba, welcome, welcome. Come on to Ouzoud waterfall.
Yes. Oh, that was nice. Cool down a little bit. And they're making tagine. It's a traditional Moroccan food. In one way, it would be really nice to camp there. So I could just have a swim in the morning. But there's too many people. Can you jump from there?
Yeah, you jump from there.
How deep is it?
50 meters.
It's 50 meters deep.
No, deep is the 20, 25.
Oh, really? That's pretty deep.
And for waterfall is 50.
It would be fun to jump. Have you jumped from there?
Huh?
Have you jumped from there?
Me?
Yeah?
Yeah, I jump.
Yeah?
Well, this
My highest jump is 41 meters.
is cat baby.
Oh, the donkey?
Yeah, it's cat baby.
Hi, donkey.
Allah, look.
Hi. Oh, look at this guy.
This you have a small one.
Oh, yeah. A little baby.
ما يسوى شوف مدن.
That's cool.
والله غير وين صدقة أقسم بالله العظيم ما وين صدقة.
Macaque
مقصود ربي
monkeys.
ما بقي هذيك هيك لا.
It's hot for them as well. They're just chilling. Riding the donkey backwards.
جلال مرحبا يا بروفيسيونال.
So this is his family restaurant. I need some food anyway, so why not eat here? I haven't had any food today, so dinner with a view of the waterfall. So today's dinner or lunch, I guess, is fries and chicken spear. Oh. I got some cookies and tea for dessert. Traditional Moroccan tea. It's cool, and it's quite nice actually. But it's a bit too sweet. I don't know why they make it so sweet. But it tastes like warm sugar water almost. And this is also super sweet. Why do they make everything so over the top sweet? I wonder. I didn't plan on doing this, but this whole experience cost me €22, so it's not the worst, including food and everything. Probably a bit expensive, but it was nice. I didn't really know anything about this place. I didn't know it was so touristic. I thought it was like in the middle of nowhere. Where a waterfall in the middle of nature. That's why I wanted to come here. If I knew that it was like this, I wouldn't have come. But since I was here, and make the best out of it. It was fun. It was interesting getting to know Abdul as well. But now, I think it is time to get back on the road. Now I'm going to just find a place to camp, I think. I'm heading towards Marrakesh. It's about 2.5 hours away. But I'm going to try to find a place to camp before I get there. And then tomorrow, I was really wanting to go to Marrakesh because that's the only place in Morocco that has specialty coffee. There's one specialty shop there, but it's closed for 3 days for some reason. So I'm not going to wait in Marrakesh for 3 days. So I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Maybe I'll even skip Marrakesh. Is it worth going there? I don't know. I'll figure it out on the way. And then I'm headed towards the coast to another recommendation that I got. So we'll see what happens. Exploring in the dark. No idea where the hell I am now. Where the hell do I go? What is this place?